Hey, I'm Kosmo from Kosmos Q, and on today's video, we are remaking Guga's life-changing burger version 2 because I had to test it. Let's get to cooking. All right, so just to talk about our ingredients and our background and the video we're gonna be making, we are using 80/20 that we bought. I know Guga ground his own. I'm not grounding it. We do have brioche buns with sesame seeds. Pickles are for me, they're optional at the end. We're gonna make our sauce, and we have our onion soup mix. This is the closest one we could find in Oklahoma without ordering it on the internet in such short notice. So we actually read the ingredients. It's exactly the same. I'm sure it's a trade name thing. His says French onion. This says onion, friggin' onion. So I am gonna do one thing different though. I did bring my burger trowel, my handmade burger trowel that I've had for years, just in case, but I'm gonna attempt to smash these. These are 3-ounce patties. We weighed every single one of them. I am gonna try that whole burger press thing. I'm not a fan of it because I just think these work way easier and you get the same results, but nevertheless, for the sake of the video, I'm gonna do it. So let's get to making this sauce, and then let's get over to the burgers. So for the sauce, pretty simple. 1 cup mayo, 2/3 cup ketchup, a tablespoon of mustard, a little bit more, and a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Sauce is done. Put this in the fridge and let's get to making burgers. All right, man, this is it. I've ate a lot of burgers. I don't know if you can tell. I've ate a lot of burgers. I've cooked, I don't know, 100, 200,000 of them, Smashburgers. I'm excited for this. The French onion thing, I wasn't sure about it, but when Guga's face lights up like that, I get it. So let's get into the middle of it. Ooh, looks good. Looks good. All right, I'll go with this side. Wow. Wow. That's good. That is really good. I didn't see that coming. I ain't gonna lie to you. I think in the video, one of them said it tastes like Funyuns, and it tastes like you crunched up Funyuns on it. Wow. That's good. I ain't gonna lie. That is really good, dude. Well, hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want this recipe, head on over to kosmosq.com, print it off, make it for yourself, and yeah, I would definitely remake this one. Thank you, Guga. I owe you one. Peace. And if you like what we're doing here, print this recipe. We'll mix this up. Boy, should not be mixed. That's what this other bowl is for.